So check it out. This is a Marx Mercury. It's got the Whistler clockwork motor in it. The motor came from Canada from a Marx buddy of mine, Zoltan. I can't thank him enough for that. The sprocket was slipping around. I had to take it apart and take a file to the pawls, so I made them true so they hold. And now it runs pretty good. I've been wanting one of these for a while, so I've got a couple of cars behind it. Got a tender and a gun and a caboose. So I thought we'd take it for a spin. Marx made these back in the 30s. Marx really made some cool stuff. And so here we go. Okay. Oh, it's not going to quite make it around, but it runs pretty strong. Really happy with it. So thanks again for watching. God bless, and never forget Jesus is Lord.